Hey team, Richard here with a heads up that SuperOps have just announced that they are bringing their big MSP SuperSummit to Manchester, UK on the 6th of May 2025. This is the first time ever a SuperSummit has come to Manchester, and if you've not been to a SuperSummit before, you will not want to miss out. The SuperSummit is a hugely popular event, and for good reason. SuperSummit is a free, no vendor pitches event packed full of practical, actionable advice from the best in the MSP industry. Now, the theme for the SuperSummit Manchester is the MSP Revolution, superpowering your growth with artificial intelligence. I'll be there sharing my thoughts on redefining business models in the AI era, but I won't be alone. As always, the SuperSummit draws an incredible lineup of MSP experts, including Mark Copeman, Scott Riley, Kimmer Lewis, and for the first time an MSP event in the UK, renowned AI expert Pascal Fintoni, with many more speakers being announced soon. So for more details and to register, go to tub.co/SuperSummit Manchester. This event is open to all MSPs and IT solution providers, and it's totally free to attend. So what are you waiting for? Go to tub.co/SuperSummit Manchester and register now. I'm looking forward to seeing you in Manchester.